Hi guys, Max from Metro Hobbies. Thought I'd give you a quick run through the store. Most of what you find today, you'll find in our other stores, including our new Dandenong store. So let's have a look. Okay guys, for our Gundam modelers and everything else, I'll give you a quick look because our Gundam experts are on holidays, lucky bugger. But we've had a big shipment of Gundam in. Apparently these are all the high-tech one, or not the high-tech, but the ones that everybody's looking for or wanting and everything else. So if you're into Gundam, there you go. But let's have a look at kits. Now, a quick one I'll show you. This is really cool. This is Grogu from The Mandalorian. But you get two kits. You get this figure, which is quarter scale, and then you get this figure in the little tub, and he's 12th scale. So you actually get two kits in one. Actually building the bigger one at the moment, and one of my offsiders is building the smaller one. So in the future, we should see the new ones. So let's continue on. We've had a big shipment of all this sort of stuff. So it's all pretty cool. Lots of trucks, lots of cars again. We're getting more and more cars in, which is great to see. Various bits and pieces there. Ashima, Tamiya, had lots more back in from Tamiya. Bit more, there's a lot more Gundam there for you. Some more ships and things like that have just come in. So we've had a lot of restock of that. Tamiya ships, all those sort of goodies. So coming around, we're going to have a look at. We've had some more restocks of KP and RS and all sorts of goodies. What else have we had? Oh, Roden. We've had a bit of a restock from Roden, which is good to see. Bit of restock from Hobby Boss as well, so we've had a few of that. ICM's not far away. A bit more Roden there, a few other things. A bit of a special hobby. Bit of Hasegawa in lately, just reissues of that one, which is quite nice. We're expecting Edward in the very near future, so there are all some goodies up there. If you're looking for the Aussie pig, we've got that back in stock. There's that, but we've also got the restock of the other one as well. So that's pretty cool. So that's it guys for today, just to show you what's in store. So it's been pretty full. Don't forget to drop into our Box Hill store and our new Dandenong store. So guys, have a great day, and I will, oops, forgot something. Okay, so I forgot a couple of things guys that are pretty important. We've just had in the new Airfix kits. And some classic old resets, so too. So we'll show you this a bit more in detail, but that's the new 48 scale Buccaneer. This is a very old classic. This is the Hawker Siddeley Harrier, 24th scale, back to being a standard GR1. So there you go, vintage classic. We've also had in, from the classic series, we've got Devonshire, we've got Fearless. That's the Mark 22 Spitfire in 72nd scale. This is a lovely kit to do, so very nice. Another reissue of the Dornier. This is more the Battle of Britain version now, so that's very, very nice. What else we got? A little starter set, including the Haruna, Pagiani Haruna, I think it's called. Now, this kit here was the most requested vintage kit from Airfix's website. So it's come out. It's an old classic. You'll love it. We've also got restocks of the Spitfire Mark 12. And another very nice kit over the years has been the Westland Lynx HMA Mark 8, blah, 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 blah. So there you go. So that's very nice helicopter. As you can see, we've also had restocks from a bit more from Ashima. A bit more kinetic come back in too. So that's pretty cool. A bit of TACOM. So guys, this is the end of the video for today. So have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Drop into our stores, jump online. Take care. Have a great night. See you later. Bye.